I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. A busy, busy bee, Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday.
Amazon Home Hack. Have an easily accessible power outlet anywhere in your home with this rental-friendly gadget. It magnetically attaches to the base and charges up to 6 devices. There's even a slot to hold your phone while charging. You can easily move this gadget around to charge devices on your desk, couch, or bed, and it keeps your chargers organized too.
Amazon Closet Favorites. This multi-purpose hanger is the perfect addition to any closet. They look great and will save you a ton of space.
Amazon Kitchen Gadget. This liquid dispenser will fit on any large drink container, allowing you to dispense water, juice, or milk without having to remove the entire jug out of the fridge. They are super easy to install. Simply remove the original cap off the jug of your choosing and slide in the Magic Tap dispenser. Now with the push of a button, you can easily pour milk into your cereal bowl or fill a glass of juice in seconds. The cap features a lock on the side to ensure no spills if accidentally bumped, plus they are easy to clean and are reusable. These caps can be a complete game changer if you have small children or for elderly people who struggle with lifting heavy jugs, potentially spilling it everywhere. I have them linked for you guys in my Amazon storefront under the kitchen list. Follow for more. Amazon Home Favorites. Light up places around your home with these beautiful industrial table lamps. The lamp comes with 2 USB ports in the base that work whether the light is on or off to charge your phone, iPads, smartwatches, or Kindles. It also features a dimmer switch to adjust the brightness when you're reading, watching TV, or entertaining. It has a beautiful seating glass shade, and the lamp comes with a vintage LED light bulb. It's in my Amazon storefront, so go check it out.
Amazon Bedroom Favorite. This mini nightstand trash can is perfect for tissues, snack wrappers, and keeping your nightstand organized and mess-free. Keep your chargers handy and off the floor with this nightstand magnet. And this multi-use outlet is perfect next to nightstands. The unique design allows you to charge all of your devices, and it's also a nightlight with a dawn to dusk sensor. Amazon Home Hack. This is the world's tiniest portable and wireless printer. It allows you to print on most materials, and the light guides you to print straight. This gadget is tiny enough to fit on a desk and perfect for customizing agendas, signatures on paperwork, sending letters, and gift wrapping.
Make my house of bricks, and I'll stick you when the world comes crashing down around me. Make your arms a willow tree, and you can bend with me anywhere that I am going. Sometimes it's hard to see anything wrong beyond the people around me, going for money and the egos. How can you ask me why? I need to know before I try.
most useful product in 2023. It looks like a car key, but it's so much more. It charges all your devices without a charger lead or plug. I can't believe you scammed me.
Sorry, sir, what happened?
I liked and shared, but still haven't gotten my free blender.
You won't be getting it for a while, because you don't even follow us.
Amazon Kitchen Favorites. This gadget is a 4-piece meal prep set. It comes with a removable colander and salad spinner top. The coolest thing about this gadget is that the lid is interchangeable and the set comes with a slicing disc perfect for onions or tomatoes. It also includes a spiralizer disc and a grating disc, which is perfect for cheese. This gadget makes meal prep so easy and everything nests together for easy storage.
Я тебе поставлю лайк. Я тебе поставлю лайк. Я тебе поставлю лайк.